Right. First grade, we are going to be writing some nonsense words using our box paper again, and all of our letters will be clock stroke letters that we're using for this. So where are all of our letters going to start? Excellent. Over a space just below the dotted line, touch 2 on the clock. All right, in the first box, write a, ah. Remember to talk to your pencil while you write it. And in the next box, write k, s. All right, then we'll skip a box. In the next one, we'll write k, s. After that, we'll write a, o, u. And the next one is g, j. Then we'll skip another spot. The next one is f. After that, it's a, ah. And our last one for that line is d. All right, so now put your finger under the first box in your box paper and tell me what to write. Very good. I'm going to write a, ah here. And what goes next? Good. K, s. Okay. Then I skip a space. What goes next? All right, we've got another k, s. All right, what's next? Good, ah, o, u. And after that, all right, g, j. Okay. Then we skip another spot. What goes in the next box? Good. So that one has a different starting spot. It's over a space just below the top baseline. Touch 2 on the clock. We want to make sure we start it over, and that way we'll make it the right way. And what's next? Good, a, ah. All right, and what's our last one? Good, d. So make sure you're starting that one over a space just below the dotted line, touch 2 on the clock. Okay. All right, now let's go back and first of all, if yours doesn't look like mine, pause it. You want to make sure everything's going in the right direction. Okay. As soon as yours looks like mine, we can say our sounds and read the words. So remember, we're saying the first sound for everything. So what's this one's first sound? Good. It says a, ah, but its first sound is a. And how about this? Good. K. So one more time, what are the sounds? And put them together. Good. So it's a, k, ak. All right, let's go to the next one. What's this first sound? Good. K. Good. Ah and g. All right, put those together. Good. K, ah, g, cog. And last, good. Good. And good. So one more time and then put them together. Good. D, fad. Excellent work. All right. Get us set up to do one more row. All right, so we'll do some more clock letter words. So in the first box on this next line, write F. Remember to find the starting spot and then tell your pencil how to move as you write it. Right, next, in the next box, A, O, U. Then in the box after that, I shouldn't go too fast, right? Because I want to give you time to say the sounds. Tell your pencil how to move and then say the sounds again. After that, write G, J. All right, then we'll skip a space and write A, A. And then G, J. Skip another space. Then we'll write G, J. Right, in the next space, write A, O, U. And then in our last box, S, Z. All right, now tell me what to write in the first box. Good, so remember over, space just below the top baseline. Touch 2 on the clock. What's next? Good, A, O, U. And after that, good, G, J. Okay, then we'll skip a spot. What's next? Good, A, And after that, good, G, J. Okay. And then we'll skip another spot. What's next? Good, G, J. And after that, good, A, O, U. And what's my last phonogram? Good, S, Z. Okay, so make sure your paper looks like mine. Pause it if you need to fix something. And now we'll go back and read our words. So tell me the first sound of all of these phonograms in the first word. Good, it's F, A, G. Put it together. Good, fog. You know, that's a real word sometimes in the winter, although not here very much. If it's kind of hard to see because the air, so fog is something that when there's some moisture in the air in a certain way, it makes it hard to see. So that's fog. All right, let's go to our next word. Say the first sound of each of them. Good, it's A, G. Put it together. Good, A, G, ag. All right, and our last, that is not a real word, it's a nonsense word. Let's do our last one. Remember, say the first sound of each phonogram. Good, so it's this one. Good, G. Good, A, and S. Good, let's put them together. Good. So g, s, gos. All right. Very nice job. Class, we'll just have one more session and keep up the good work.